Hey everybody, and welcome to the Heritage Market Minute for Monday, April 19, 2021. Markets are pulling back a little bit here to start the week, just kind of taking a breather after a big move over the last 2 weeks. So let's take a look at a couple of the key market moving events on the economic calendar this week. The big event, the big catalyst is going to be peak earnings. Peak earnings reports, that is, now that we're in the second week of Q1 earnings results. That is, we're in Q2 and companies are telling us how they did in Q1. We're expected to see a broad group of companies report this week. Last week, the headliners were the banks. This week, we're going to hear from a lot of the tech companies. And as you know, we have a special interest in the tech companies as we're skewed heavily towards them in our portfolio strategy. And we think that we'll see companies give us really strong financial results that will reaffirm the growth that we're seeing here and the recovery in the economy. So there'll be a lot of major companies reporting this week. They have the ability to set the tone for the market. So we want to make sure that they're not just coming in line with expectations, but of course it's always better to beat expectations if possible. Not much movement in the 10-year yield. Rates have seemed to moderate at this time around the 1.6% level, which is good for the thesis that growth and tech names should have some additional wind at their back if we can continue to see that 10-year yield hold down. We'll be back at the end of the week for the Heritage Market Pulse to discuss maybe what we saw in some of these earnings results this week. Hopefully it will reaffirm some of the positive tone that we've seen in the markets. But again, today markets just taking a breather. It's not uncommon to see markets sell off a little bit after a big short-term move. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll see you again on Friday. Have a nice Monday.